In this video, we'll talk about the sketched bend again. In the last video, I forgot to mention that we can also do selective bending. So, as an example, let's say, let's exit this sketch first and unroll it to the original base flint design. Okay, we can let's create a simple hole around this region. Okay, so let's create a sketch, and I'm just making it arbitrarily, so no patterns is there or any parameter has been set. Okay, offset entities, and we're gonna select cap ends. Okay, so using lines, so we will have something like this. Once done, let's go to the sheet metal, and we have this extrude cut option. We will just cut away this portion of it. Okay, now let's create a bending line. Our goal is to make sure this portion of it, this new tab that we created, doesn't bend, but only the outer portion of it bends. So what we can do is select the surface, create a new sketch. Okay, and we need to remember, when we're creating this, we don't want to make this line all the way through. Okay, what we want to do is select the only portions where we want to bend. Once done, let's go into the sheet metal and select the sketched bend, and let's select the surfaces. As you can see, it has bended everything based on the given requirements except for that part, that where the lines were not there. If you click OK, you will see only that portion of it has been bended. Okay,